Hi guys! Father's Day is approaching very, very quickly, and I want to show you guys what I'm making for my dad, and maybe you guys can get some inspo for your dad. I feel like it's always hard to shop gifts for my dad, so I thought what would be better than to make something very thoughtful and cute and something that he knows I spent a lot of time on. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with a black sheet of construction paper. I bought this pack at Target and it has a bunch, so I can use it for other things. And we're gonna turn it into like a little cone situation, almost like if it was like a vase of flowers. Let's see. And then, ooh, perfect, this looks good. Then I have this glue gun I've never used before. We're about to see how this works. And I'm gonna like layer this portion with glue. And I might need some more glue, so I'm gonna stick one of these things in there. Okay, awesome. Should be good. And now we're gonna connect this before this dries. Beautiful. Awesome. Just make sure that's sticking good. And let's clean this up a bit. Grab all that glue. I love these glue sticks because they're way less messy than regular glue, believe it or not. Because when it dries, it's just like regular. Okay. Beautiful. Now we have our little cone situation. Let me actually put a little more here. We're gonna do it right. Okay. There we go. Okay guys, now we're gonna pick a second color as the shirt. I think we're gonna go with this like blue because it actually does look like a shirt my dad would wear. So, because this is gonna go in here, I'm gonna cut this kind of like a square. Well, sorry, a rectangle. More like clean. Beautiful. Here it is. And now we're gonna put this. Ooh. And now let's put it back in there. Oh my God. Beautiful. Now we have a little vest. A little crooked. Okay. I'm gonna make a little incision right in the middle. His little shirt, how adorable is this, you guys? Now we have to pick a tie color. Let's do this one. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut this again. We're gonna go fold. Fold, fold. All right, guys. Now we have it all folded. We're gonna start cutting again. Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna take this side and go like this and apply some glue. Perfect. Like that. And then take this side and apply some glue. Like that. Oh my God. Can you guys see the vision? Because I can, and it's gonna be so cute. Awesome. So now it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another little piece of construction paper and wrap it around my bow. I may need to make it a little fatter than this. All right, we're gonna go like this, like this, like this, and like this, wrapped all around. I feel like that looks really cute. Awesome. Now we're gonna go ahead and paste this right on here. So I'm just gonna add like a little dot of glue. Should be good. And oh, so cutie, you guys. Amazing. So now we're gonna make buttons to match with the same paper that we used to make the bow. Oh yeah, we got our first round one. Beautiful. Two, I'm gonna fix that one. Let's get one more though. Awesome. Now I'm gonna fix like the little edges so it's as close to perfect as possible. Round it out. Awesome. And then this one has a couple pointy edges, but this was probably my best one. Cute. Now we're gonna stick these on. 1, 2, and 3. And if the glue gun looks messy, guys, don't worry about it. We can remove the little white stuff afterwards. 2 and 3. See? It comes off as soon as it dries. Gorgeous. Okay, guys, we're folding this part into like a little collar, of course. Okay, let's try to make this a little more even. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue on here to make sure that it sticks. Awesome. Now, guys, that it looks like this, I'm gonna go ahead and fill the inside with a little bit of paper because I don't think everything that I got is gonna stand like on its own. So I think we can just crumble this a bit and experiment. Oh yeah, that's almost perfect. I'm gonna use all of this stuff, the extra stuff, so it doesn't go to waste. Okay, that's really good. Now, we get to add the little things that we got our dad. Sea salt roasted whole cashews. You know me, because I'm a healthy girly. Put that right here. Now we're gonna add some gift cards that I got him. $25 movie theater gift card so him and my mom can go hang out. Cute. And then we got him a little discount to Cheesecake Factory, or there's a couple other restaurants on there of their choice. Let's see, hold on. Alrighty, adding these, and then last but not least, I got a couple of Lindor chocolates and cookies and cream. My dad likes these a lot, but you can get whatever your dad likes candy-wise. And I'm gonna stuff this with all that stuff. Oh, this is coming out so cute, you guys. And now we have an amazing little gift that's homemade and thoughtful, filled with things that your dad loves. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little sign. I've got 2 Father's Day cards. One I'm gonna cut up, the other I'm gonna give to him. We're gonna crop out this little badge here. I almost feel bad destroying a Father's Day card, you guys, but it's for a good purpose. It's gonna look good at the end. And now we're going to stick this number one dad right here. And I'm gonna give him this one as his little Father's Day present. Obviously, we all get our dads gifts for Father's Day. That's like a must, but I think dads don't often get things that are like thoughtful and handmade, and I think he'll appreciate this so much more than just getting him the same like tool or t-shirt or like watch, sunglass situation that I typically do. So I think he's gonna be really happy and very surprised that I made this myself just for him. I'm so excited. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I had so much fun making this. I feel like my dad is going to love this. And I feel like if you try this at home, your dad will love it too because it's so thoughtful and sweet. And I filled it with things that I know he really likes, like a movie card and restaurant and his favorite little snacks. Anyways, I hope if you are a father, you have an amazing Father Day. And if you're spending yours with your father, you have an amazing Father's Day. And yeah, let me know if you end up doing this. I would love to chat. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.